Foreign Grantor Trusts and Article 4 Status, a modernized overview. This educational presentation dives into the foundational structure and modern application of the Foreign Grantor Trust process, alongside the Article 4 Status Correction Framework. Key highlights. Recap of the CQV (CQV) Trust. The CQV Trust is created at birth with the issuance of a birth certificate, registering a corporate fiction or straw man. You are the beneficiary of the trust, but the government acts as the trustee. The trust holds all your credits, but you lack direct control. Creating a UCC Contract Trust. The SPC, Secured Party Creditor, process involves replacing the CQV Trust with a private UCC Contract Trust that you control. You become the grantor and trustee, and assign the strawman as the beneficiary. Trust structure. A proper trust must separate the roles of grantor, trustee, and beneficiary to avoid breaking the corporate veil. Your new private trust requires a federal line to gain federal recognition. Foreign Grantor Trust. Use signs from non-Hague Convention countries, e.g., Belize, Cayman Islands, to position his trust outside of the Federal Reserve's jurisdiction. The U.S. Republic and the Constitution are also considered foreign to the corporate USA and banking system. Importance of status correction. Through SPC and status correction, you exit the corporate system and reclaim your place in the U.S. Republic Trust, founded by the Declaration of Independence. You must invoke your rights, give notification, and register them publicly, via registered mail and notarization. Article 4 Citizens and Authority. As an Article 4 citizen, you are part of the fourth branch of government, we the people. You may act as a private attorney general, PAG, or bounty hunter, empowered to hold corrupt officials accountable under federal law, e.g., RICO, Clayton Act. With proper declaration, federal line, status correction, and badge, you operate with lawful authority under the U.S. Republic. Badge of Authority. A physical badge showing your Foreign Grantor Trust IN and Article 4 status. This badge identifies you when acting in your official capacities, POG, bounty hunter, executive officer. Tying it all together. The IN connects your SPC trust, status correction documents, and identification badge. Your private ID matches your private status. Registered mail number equals private registration, notarization equals public recognition. 3 pillars of Creditor Academy. Become private, learn status correction, SPC, and create a private ID and badge. Operate privately, apply trusts, private real estate methods, and protect assets. Build unlimited private credit, restore credit and access financial resources. Need immediate remedy? Creditor Academy offers credit restoration services for those needing urgent financial help. Final thoughts. You are more than a number in a corporate system. With the right tools, education, and action, you can reclaim your status, control your trust, and operate as a sovereign being.